Hello students, welcome to Tilak Bharati classes. I am Madhuri Sahu. Today we will discuss about the chapter Sky Vision. So in your book there is a subheading, there are only 8 planets, not 9. Let's discuss about this. Planets are heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. Like a star, they do not emit their own light. जैसे स्टार्स खुद का लाइट एमिट करते हैं वैसे प्लैनेट्स नहीं करते, वो वही लाइट को एमिट करते हैं जो सन से वो लोग रिसीव करते हैं. दे रिफ्लेक्ट द सनलाइट विच फॉल्स ऑन देम एंड सो दे आर as bright as a star. Ancient astronomers already discovered Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn as they were visible to the naked eyes. Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto were discovered after the discovery of the telescope. तो पहले एस्ट्रोनॉमर्स डिस्कवर किए थे मर्क्यूरी, वेनस, अर्थ, मार्स, जुपिटर एंड सैटर्न प्लैनेट्स को. उसके बाद टेलीस्कोप के माध्यम से और 3 मतलब यूरेनस, नेपच्यून एंड प्लूटो को डिस्कवर किए थे. In this way, it is believed that Sun has 9 planets. Each planet revolved around the Sun in a fixed orbit. Now, after 76 years after its discovery, 76 years के बाद प्लूटो के डिस्कवरी होने के बाद कुछ कंट्रोवर्सी की वजह से that's not considered as a planet. So now there are only 8 planets. Here is the picture. Now around the sun 8 planets are revolving around the sun, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Some planets have satellites. Satellites are heavenly bodies which move around some other heavenly body. Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Remember this thing, moon is the natural satellite of the earth. पृथ्वी का natural satellite है moon. Jupiter, Saturn are the planets which have more than one natural satellite. अभी we will discuss about each planet. First, Mercury. It is the nearest planet to the sun. Usually it cannot be seen due to the sunlight. sun के पास होने की वजह से उस पर ज़्यादा लाइट फॉल होता है, इसीलिए उसको cannot be seen. It is the hottest planet as it is near to the sun. Most of its properties resembles to that of the moon as its diameter and the mass. ये जो मर्क्यूरी प्लैनेट है ये मून से बहुत मिलता जुलता है, जैसे कि इसका डायमीटर एंड मास मून के साथ सेम है. लाइक द मून इट ऑल्सो डज नॉट हैव एनी एटमोसफियर एंड इट इज़ रॉकी एंड माउंटेनियस. इट डज नॉट हैव एनी नोन सैटेलाइट. इसका कुछ ऐसे सैटेलाइट नहीं है मर्क्यूरी का. नेक्स्ट है वेनस. इट इज़ द सेकेंड प्लैनेट फ्रॉम द सन in distance. It is the brightest of all the heavenly bodies seen by us. Its brightness is due to the thick clouds in its atmosphere, which reflects back about 3/4 of the sunlight received by it. It can be seen as a bright star at the horizon just before sunrise and just after sunset. Even though it is not a star, due to its brightness it is called the morning star or the evening star. तो इसके ब्राइटनेस की वजह से ये स्टार ना होने के बावजूद इसको मॉर्निंग स्टार और इवनिंग स्टार भी बोला जाता है. इट्स वॉल्यूम इज़ अबाउट 4/5 of that of the earth even when its diameter is nearly same. Venus does not have any satellite. Like Mercury, Venus is also don't have any satellite. Next, Earth, जो कि पृथ्वी. As per the distance from the sun, the Earth is the third position. The Earth is in third position. No other planet is known to have life other than the earth. The earth revolves around the sun in 365.26 days. It takes 24 hours to rotate around its axis. ये 24 hours लेता है अपना खुद का एक्सिस के चारों तरफ रोटेट करने के लिए. डेज एंड नाइट्स आर फॉर्म्ड ड्यू टू दिस रोटेशन. यही रोटेशन की वजह से डेज एंड नाइट फॉर्म होता है. Earth is inclined on its axis, due to which there are changes in season. Earth has one natural satellite, the moon. Earth has one natural satellite है जो कि moon है. The moon revolves round the earth, and along with the earth it revolves round the sun also. It reflects the sunlight which falls on it. Thus, we can see only that part of the moon which faces us. This is all about Earth. Next है Mars. Mars is the next in position from the distance to Sun. मतलब Earth के बाद Mars है. It appears red in color. Mars का color क्या है? Red. So it is also known as the red planet. इसका color red होने की वजह से this is also called as red planet. It can be seen mostly every day throughout the year from the Earth. Its radius is a little bigger than half the radius of Earth, but its volume is 1/9 of the Earth's volume. There is no strong evidence of the presence of water and life on this planet. अभी तक पूरा प्रूफ नहीं हुआ है कि उसमें सफिशिएंटली वाटर एंड एयर है एंड मतलब लाइफ कैन एग्जिस्ट बोल के अभी तक एविडेंस कुछ नहीं मिला है. बट एस्ट्रोनॉमर्स आर रिसर्चिंग अबाउट इट. मार्स हैज़ 2 नेचुरल सैटेलाइट्स. मार्स का 2 नेचुरल सैटेलाइट्स हैं. नेक्स्ट है जुपिटर. जुपिटर इज़ द बिगेस्ट ऑफ द प्लैनेट्स. Jupiter is the biggest one. Remember this. Its volume is more than the total volume of all the other planets. Its distance from the sun is more than the sun total of the distances of the earlier 4 planets. The amount of light and energy reaching this planet is less than the amount reaching Earth and Mars. But this planet is brighter than other planet except Venus and sometimes Mars. तो ये Mars and Venus से कंपेयर करेंगे तो this is the brighter. This is because of its dense atmosphere which reflects most of the light it receives. Jupiter has 28 known natural satellites. Jupiter का 28 natural satellites हैं. Next is Saturn. This is 6th planet from the Sun. यह 6th position में है. Its distance from the Sun is about twice the distance of Jupiter. Its volume and nature is same as Jupiter, but it is colder than Jupiter. ये Jupiter का जैसे क्वालिटी है वैसे सेम है, but this is colder than Jupiter. Because of the 3 rings around it, it looks more beautiful than the other planet. ऐसे कोई भी planet में नहीं है जैसे Saturn में है. Saturn के चारों तरफ 3 rings are surrounding. These rings can be seen with the help of a telescope. Saturn has 30 known satellites. Saturn का 30 known satellites हैं. Next is Uranus. This is the first planet discovered with the help of telescope. Its distance from the sun is twice the distance of the Saturn from the sun. It has 21 known satellites. Uranus का 21 known satellites है. Last one is Neptune. This is the 8th planet from the sun. It has 8 satellites. Because of being far away from the sun, it is the coldest planet. ये sun से बहुत दूर होने की वजह से ये this is the coldest planet. Like all these planets, Pluto also have the nature of planets. But now the question arises, why Pluto is not a planet? जैसे नॉर्मली प्लैनेट का जैसा नेचर होना चाहिए वैसे प्लूटो का होने के बावजूद प्लूटो इज़ नॉट कंसिडर्ड एज अ प्लैनेट बिकॉज इट रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द सन. बट बीइंग वेरी स्मॉल, इट्स बहुत स्मॉल साइज होने की वजह से एंड हैविंग लेस वॉल्यूम, इट इज़ नॉट परफेक्टली राउंड मूविंग इन एन इलेप्टिकल ऑर्बिट। इट कट्स नेपच्यून्स ऑर्बिटल एंड एंटर्स इनसाइड इट। जो नेपच्यून का जो ऑर्बिट है उसको कट करके थोड़ा अंदर चला जाता है ये। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, all the other planets revolve around the sun in the same plane, but Pluto makes an angle of 17 degree. बाकी जो planets है वो around the sun in a perfect plane में घूमते हैं, but Pluto makes an angle of 17 degree. Because of all this, Pluto has been placed outside the group of planets. It is known as a pseudo planet. इसीलिए Pluto को pseudo planet बोल सकते हैं. Next is asteroids. These are small bodies which revolve around the sun in an orbit between Mars and Jupiter. Asteroid is said to be that parts of matter which could not take the shape of a planet due to some reason. Comets. Comets are small heavenly bodies which revolve around the sun. We can see them only when they are very near to the sun. Its characteristic features is small, bright head with a long tail. The tail of the comet always points away from the sun. Usually, the comet is seen after a fixed interval of time. Meteors and meteorites. Sometimes during dark nights, you may see bright lines of light in the sky. Some call these as shooting stars or falling stars, but they are not stars, they are meteors. Meteors are small heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. When these bodies enter the Earth's atmosphere at very high speed, they burn up due to friction and they appear as bright lights in the sky. Some meteors do not burn up completely in the same atmosphere, and some part of it, if it falls on the earth without burning. These sunburned bodies are called meteorites. So this is all about the chapter. Thank you.